On the 9th of September 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the 13th annual BRICS Summit. The theme for the summit was BRICS at 15, Intra-BRICS Cooperation for Continuity, Consolidation and Consensus. Brazil President Jair Bolsonaro, South African President Cyril Ramaphosa, Russian President Vladimir Putin and Chinese President Xi Jinping attended the meeting virtually. BRICS 2021 marked the 15th anniversary of the international grouping. India has earlier hosted BRICS Summit in 2012 and in 2016. The 2020 BRICS Summit was held virtually amid the COVID pandemic under the chairmanship of Russia. Let's look at the key points the ministers discussed during the summit. Talking about the themes selected by India for the duration of its chairship, BRICS at 15, Intra-BRICS Cooperation for Continuity, Consolidation and Consensus. Prime Minister Modi said that these 4 Cs are the basic principles of the BRICS partnership. He also highlighted that BRICS is building a consensus on remote sensing satellite constellation among the space agencies of the participating countries. Intra-BRICS trade will also be made easier. BRICS has also started an alliance of green tourism, which is a new initiative among the participating countries, Prime Minister Modi stated while expressing confidence that BRICS will be more eventful in the future with the upcoming events that have been lined up. Highlighting the leading role that BRICS countries can play in the post-COVID global recovery, Modi called for enhanced BRICS cooperation under the motto of Build Back Resiliently, Innovatively, Credibly and Sustainably. Despite COVID situation, over 150 BRICS meetings and events were organized. Of these, over 20 were ministerial level. Focusing on the discussion over global and regional security, the summit adopted BRICS Counter-Terrorism Action Plan. The plan defines the approach and actions of the BRICS countries towards areas of counter-terrorism cooperation, which includes countering radicalization and online terrorist threats, border management, information/intelligence sharing, etc. The summit also adopted Delhi Declaration. The declaration called for reforms of the principal organs of the United Nations, including that of the UN Security Council, UNSC. It is the first time that BRICS has taken a collective position on strengthening and reforming multilateral systems. Russian President Vladimir Putin also addressed the BRICS summit and spoke about the Afghanistan crisis. He said that global security has faced serious challenges with US and allies' withdrawal from Afghanistan, and it is still unclear how it will affect regional and global security. Apart from Afghanistan, the BRICS leaders also took up the conflicts in Myanmar, Syria, the tension in the Korean Peninsula, Israel-Palestine violence and other territorial disputes. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa also addressed the summit and spoke about equal access to COVID vaccines. The president said that equal access to COVID-19 vaccines, diagnostics and therapeutics is the only way to respond to this pandemic. Noted the proposal made by India and South Africa at the World Trade Organization, WTO, for the waiver of the trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, TRIPS, mechanism to ensure a rapid expansion of the COVID-19 vaccine production around the world. Chinese President Xi Jinping recounted the achievements of BRICS nations in 15 years, whereas Brazil President Jair Bolsonaro praised India-China-Brazil partnership in fight against COVID pandemic. On 24th of February 2021, the first meeting of BRICS finance and central bank deputies was held virtually. The issues that India and other BRICS nations discussed in the first meeting on the BRICS financial cooperation under India chairship in 2021 were: global economic outlook, BRICS nations' response to COVID-19, social infrastructure financing and use of digital technologies, New Development Bank (NDB) activities, FinTech for SME and financial inclusion, BRICS Contingent Reserve Arrangement (CRA). BRICS is an acronym for the grouping of the world's leading emerging economies, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. In 2001, the British economist Jim O'Neill coined the term BRIC to describe the four emerging economies of Brazil, Russia, India, and China. The grouping was formalized during the first meeting of BRIC foreign ministers in 2006. South Africa was invited to join BRIC in December 2010, after which the group adopted the acronym BRICS. It brings together 5 of the largest developing countries of the world, representing 41% of the global population, 24% of the global GDP and 16% of the global trade. The chairmanship of the forum is rotated annually among the members, in accordance with the acronym BRICS. During the 6th BRICS Summit in Brazil in 2014, the leaders signed the agreement establishing the new development bank. They also signed the BRICS Contingent Reserve Arrangement to provide short-term liquidity support to the members. Fortaleza Declaration of the 2014 stressed that the NDB will strengthen cooperation among BRICS and will supplement the efforts of multilateral and regional financial institutions for global development, thus contributing to sustainable and balanced growth. All the BRICS member countries hold an equal stake in the bank and the NDB works on their consultative mechanism. The Brasilia Declaration was signed by the BRICS members at the 11th BRICS Summit in Brasilia. This declaration reaffirms the members' commitment to upholding the UN Charter's purposes and principles, advocating multilateralism, and finding a political settlement to serious issues. From the Indian perspective, BRICS has emerged as the voice of developing countries, or the Global South, as these countries face an aggressive club of developed countries, raising challenges on issues from WTO to climate change. New Delhi believes BRICS has to protect the rights of the developing countries. Global geopolitics today represents the case of a tug of war and India finds itself in the middle of it. This has made difficult for India to carve a middle path for balancing its strategic interests between the US and the Russia-China axis. BRICS also provides a platform for India to galvanize its efforts against terrorism and has worked within the grouping to take a strong stand against terrorism and bring about focused consultations on specific aspects relating to terrorism. BRICS countries shared a common objective of reforming the international financial and monetary system, with a strong desire to build a more just and balanced international order. To this end, BRICS community plays an important role in the G20, in shaping global economic policies and promoting financial stability.